Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to find Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and search in search bar Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Now change the view by large icon. On this screen you will find here Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. On the left side, you will find Change Adapter Settings. Now right-click on Wi-Fi adapter and go to Status. This window will appear. Now go to Wireless Properties. Click on Security tab. Check this option. You will see your saved password. These easy and simple steps that you can follow to show your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. Also, this video will be helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.